Hello guys, today I've got JBL Endurance Peak 4 and I'm going to show you how to set up the personalized audio. At first you need to enter audio section right here in the application named JBL Headphones. Right here, when you're in this section, you need to scroll down to the personify file right here. Here you need to tap download. Start. And as you can see here, I've got environment noise check and wearing status check, which I won't get because I'm not wearing my headphones right now. So you need to, of course, now take on your headphones. Remember to be in the quiet environment for this period of the time where you are setting up this personalized audio. The right one, and here we've got the left one. Now let me stop talking for a moment. As you can see, I've got wrong seal in my left ear, but let me quickly fix it. And now we can tap next. Here we've got hearing test. We need to hold here to start and release the button when we can no longer hear the tone. Okay, I didn't know why it stopped. It has stopped. No. Again, and do this or this whole test. The first is the left ear, the second is right ear. As you can see here, we've got the right ear right now. Now we've got our result. We need to tap get result to get the result, of course. And here we've got actually I don't know what happened here, but this is my hearing. We can tap ahead, take a try. And if we tap this switch right here, we can feel the difference. Here done. And now we've got everything set up. Bye!